So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund on eBay. So first of all, log into your eBay account and from there you can see your hi and then your first and last name, account settings and sign out. And you can also then go to my eBay, which I suggest you do. From there go to your purchase history page. After that loads, you will see all purchases, processing, unpaid items, returns and cancelled, show hidden and so on. So through there you can see your purchases, and if you aren't satisfied with something that you purchased, you can see the more actions option and you can start a resolution or open the resolution page. Now what does that mean? Well, basically you can start a return request, and after that eBay will not notify your seller about that. You can even communicate these problems with your seller and you can agree on some sort of return rules that can be applied, and you can even ask eBay for assistance. So asking for a refund is really specific on here, so you can find on returns and canceled. So through this page you can find some orders that you've returned and got refunded from, and you can start it through here. You can even start it for your email address, the return form, or you can just click on I didn't receive it. So if you didn't even get the order that you ordered, you can start the I didn't receive it resolution phase, and through there you'll immediately ask for a refund from your seller. So that's through here, and you can find it by clicking the more actions button. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.